What's up, guys? John here, and welcome to Talk Finance. And today we are talking about innovative industrial properties. Innovative industrial properties is currently trading at $106.37, which is up 476% since its inception in 2016, but down 57% year to date. That is more than most individual stocks and ETFs by as much as 20%. So what makes them worth looking at? Is the price justified for their industry? Will this be the best buying opportunity, or does it have more to fall? But before we continue, if you could do me a favor and click that like button and subscribe as well. It would really mean a lot to me and would be helping out the channel by making sure more people see this. And as a thank you, here's a picture of a cute puppy. So what is innovative industrial properties? Innovative Industrial Properties is the pioneering real estate investment trust for the regulated cannabis industry. Founded in December 2016, we are the first publicly traded company on the New York Stock Exchange to provide real estate capital to the regulated cannabis industry. We focus on purchasing specialized industrial real estate assets for the regulated cannabis industry. We believe that our sale leaseback and other real estate solutions offer an attractive alternative to state licensed cannabis operators who have limited access to traditional financing alternatives. We have acquired and intend to continue to acquire regulated cannabis facilities in states that permit licensed cannabis operations. So what they are saying is they buy warehouses and buildings and lease them to the cannabis industry companies. Although the price of innovative industrial properties stood at almost $280 around the same time last year, and it has taken a big hit, the market has kept the price stable for the past 6 months. The price has fluctuated from $89 to $124 a share and is only down 2% since June. Could that mean the price is starting to level off? After all, innovative industrial properties is trading at a 20 times price to earnings ratio, while it's common for most REITs to trade at a 35 to 45 times price to earnings ratio. Keep in mind that REITs are evaluated with different metrics compared to other companies. I will say though, I think a better measurement of a REIT is by looking at their funds from operations, or FFO, which adjusts for depreciation, preferred dividends, and distributions. Innovative Industrial Properties has invested and committed $2.4 billion, and this number doesn't include another $18 million loan that Innovative Industrial Properties loaned to a developer in California for construction of a regular cannabis cultivation and processing facility. They currently hold 111 properties in 19 states with 8.6 million square feet in rentable space and are listed as having a market cap of $3.1 billion. The regulated cannabis industry continues to be one of the largest, highest growth industries seen in the United States in recent years, and it's continually evolving with the authorization and implementation of new state programs and the continued maturation of existing state programs. 38 states now have legalized medical use cannabis. 19 states have full legalized adult use cannabis, and in 2021, the regulated cannabis sale reached $27 billion. Being a newer industry, it comes with higher risks since it hasn't established itself with a long history of stability and returns. The great thing about innovative industrial properties is it holds the real estate properties of the cannabis industry and does not work with the cannabis itself. It has managed to become a cannabis adjacent company. It has given the cannabis industry much needed help when it comes to acquiring capital for real estate or being able to rent real estate in the first place. But I believe that can also hurt them in the long term. What do I mean by that? Well, cannabis is not federally legal currently, but if they were to become federally legal, a lot of these cannabis companies could find alternative sources of funding, purchase their own real estate and more favorable prices, or even have more options in rental properties. A benefit for innovative industrial properties in owning commercial properties such as warehouses is that they are high in demand currently and could be sold or even rented to a different client outside the cannabis industry. So what are analysts saying? They predict that in the next 12 months, innovative industrial properties should be at a median price of $160. On the low end, they might hit $140. And on the high end, they might go as high as $196. We have 6 analysts telling you to buy and 2 analysts telling you to hold. Innovative industrial dividend growth has been rapid, and with current yield of 6.4%, which it pays quarterly, it last paid a dividend of $1.80. If you look at a dividend history of innovative industrial properties since 2017, it started at 15 cents. If you look at the dividend history of innovative industrial properties since 2017, it started at 15 cents a share. In less than 5 years, it has managed to consistently grow its dividends quarter after quarter. Are the dividends sustainable? For now, they are. The company is still growing selling and the only one in their specific market of sale leaseback programs for cannabis companies. I did notice that the growth in the dividends for common stockholders has outpaced the Series A preferred stock dividends since 2019. And it keeps growing. I myself do hold a few shares of Innovative Industrial Properties, and I also sold a put at $100 and made $200 off that sale. And if called on that contract, we'll be then selling a covered call on that purchase contract. So the question, should you buy Innovative Industrial Properties? Well, I do want to let you know that I am not telling you to buy, sell, or do anything when it comes to stocks. I just want to supply you with some information that you might find useful. I will most likely buy and keep a few more shares of Innovative Industrial and dollar cost average at these prices once it goes near $100 or below, and believe that it has the potential for more growth, but will be fluctuating in price, even possibly dropping below $100 in the next few weeks. But in comparison with other REITs and ETFs, this company does have more risks, but with those risks also come more room for rapid price appreciation. And lastly, the company's insider ownership is 1.5%. And last year, there was a lot of insider selling, but this year has been relatively quiet with some insider purchases in Q3. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to subscribe and keep up to date with us in all things investing. Until next time.